Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to discuss about one important feature of the Salesforce Flow like collection filter. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So I'll be creating one screen flow first, and I'll be selecting this screen, then screen flow. So I'm in the flow builder. Now on the click on this plus icon, I can find the collection filter element. So this is the collection filter element icon, looks like the funnel. On clicking on it, we can see that the collection it needs a collection variable. So we need to provide the collection of the as a source. So let's define that first. So then I'll be creating a get record element. So with the get record element, we can find different Salesforce record based on our predefined conditions. So in this case, I'll be just retrieving like account, all those account records whose annual revenue annual revenue is greater than or equals to $2 lakh. So let me add that get accounts, and in the Salesforce subject, I need to select account, and in the field I need to select annual revenue greater than or equals to $2 lakh. Then what we need to do, we need to select, so this is for up to these configurations, it will just retrieve the first record having the criteria matched. But in this collection filter, we need to provide the source as a collection, so we need to make this get record as a collection variable. So we need to click on these all records. We need to choose actually this all records option. So in this case, all records means it will retrieve all these account records having this matched criteria. So I'll be using this get record as a source for this collection filter. So in here now we can see these get records, and in here I'll be just retrieving. So collection filter is nothing but it will just refine or trim more on the collections we have. Means in here get records element, lots of data are there, but we don't need all of them. We just need to filter it out based on our condition defined in this collection filter. So we can just define like whenever the account rating, there is a field account rating equals to 1. So whenever the so in this get records, we are going to do like whenever the annual revenue is greater than equals to $2 lakh. And in this collection filter, what we get, whenever the account rating for those accounts that are available in this get records collection, so account rating is 1, then only it will just trim those records. Now I'll be just saving the flow collection filter flow. Now I'll be just debugging the flow, run. Now we can find that in this collection filter in the get records, we can see that we are getting all the expected results successfully found records. And in the collection filter element, we can find that in the items in source collection is 8. Now after this condition means checking of the account rating 1, we are getting final 2 records, right? So this is how we can just truncate all our unnecessary records within our get record elements. So this is how collection filter works. Now we can just use this collection filter in the table formatted way or anywhere we as per our requirement. So I'll be adding more tutorial on this different kind of scenarios on this as well. So please stay tuned, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.